1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic song by Ben E. King, Stand By Me. Alright, so the song is an A, but to make it simple for beginners and the acoustic guitar open chords, let's put a capo on 2, please. So it's gonna look like a G chord. 1, 2, 3 to E minor. It's the same chords over and over, 4 chords. E minor, 1, 2, C major, 1, 2, 3, and we got D major, 1, 2, 3. So the switching goes like this: 1, 2, 3, G major, G, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, D major, and G, D, 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 G, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 1, 2, 3, C major, the basic strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up, I like to play it like this. Sounds more like 50s, I guess. So that's strum, and then you go across the strings, and then up, and then up, down, up. Wow, we got really loud all of a sudden. I don't know what happened with that. Okay, that sounds better. Alright, so down, down, up, up, down, up, down. Kind of glide over the strings. And for the verses, maybe we mute a little bit to make a little bit slight difference between the choruses and the verses. so that's it. That's all the 4 chords we need. Let's review before we end the lesson. I got some technical problems, but that's okay. G major, 1, 2, so G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D. And the easy, simple strumming. Guys, thanks for tuning in. What a wonderful song. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and take it easy. Thank you.